Don't you realize that this next one? Don't you? Rubbish. Hello, mother. You good? And you, what are you looking at? My friend, will you get my things? Fool.
Mama, so good to see you. No, Mama, come on. You shouldn't be worried. It was just a prank. You know, we sometimes when we have arguments, we play like that. We prank each other.
A prank?
Yes, Mama.
You prank each other? You slap each other?
Mama, come on. You're getting worked up over nothing. It's really nothing, really.
Did you say over nothing? Well, shh.
Mama, it's fine. It's fine. Let's go inside.
Nothing.
Hey. You don't say that woman when you want married.
Yes, so